Welcome to South Motors Volkswagen, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory, and comes equipped with parking sensors, rear view camera, heated door mirrors, keyless entry, heated front seats, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, air conditioning, rear spoiler, and has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. South Motors was founded in 1956 on one principle: treat every client like family. More than 60 years later, we are proud to say that we are still locally owned by the same family, and we still follow that same family tradition. Our fully transparent shopping experience delivers the best up front, along with a complete vehicle history. And for additional peace of mind, we also offer a 3-day exchange policy and a financing program custom tailored to you. So come join the family. We're located at 17930 South Dixie Highway in Miami.